Hi guys, down by the market today. That's where the big market goes, on there. Just having a bit of walk out. Lovely sunny day again. There we go. Really warm. Spanish still think it's cold though. They've got coats on and stuff. It's warm enough to be out walking about though. A little bit of wind on the camera. Don't need much wind though, it picks it up, makes it sound worse. So we're going to have a look at this hotel down here in a minute. All that comes in market normally on Sunday. There wasn't one over the Easter weekend. I think that's just to stop people mixing, because there's probably a few more in for Easter. A bit of rubbish been dumped there. Know what used to be in there, guys? There used to be something in there. Now we're coming on to where the mini golf used, well, still is at the moment. Don't know if it's going to reopen or not. Trampoline there, by the looks of it. Mini golf's over the back there. Of course the other mini golf is gone now. It's been turned into apartments apparently. One area there, play area. There's the mini golf over the back, just about to see it. Right, we're going to look at this hotel over here, the Helios. It's a very nice hotel. Just round the back now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to make a donation, the PayPal link's underneath. Good privacy there. What a horrible around it. have a look in a minute now. See what we can see. I don't know if anybody's ever stopped there. If you stop there, let me know what it's like staying there. Some of the apartments. Rooms rather. Not apartments, oh, I've got apartments on the brain today. It's closed at the moment. HOTEL Helios. Am I pronouncing that right? There's the pool. There we go, better view of it. The floor goes up and down on this pool, so it's really shallow at the moment. It is quite a deep pool, I think. Probably about 6 feet deep. I take it's because nobody's in there. You should imagine they are looking to get guests in soon. Table tennis table over the back there. Quite a big hotel. You know, all the balconies facing the sun. There's the name. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the video, it's coming up in the card now. See you on the next one.